Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Ferrari Laferrari. Start by sketching the car's basic silhouette with light lines. Next, establish wheel placement and cabin proportions to anchor the design. Focus on major shapes first, then refine edges and panel lines. Use reference images for accurate curves and vents. Work from big forms to small details and pause to compare proportions as you progress naturally and confidently. Now refine the LaFerrari's defining shapes and details with steady hands. Trace the hood and nose cone, then add the sculpted headlights and signature vents. Sculpt the side air intakes and rear haunches so the airflow looks believable. Keep checking how panels meet and align. Work progressively, erasing stray lines and strengthening the correct ones. Take your time to capture the car's aggressive yet elegant posture before moving to shading. Bring your LaFerrari to life with careful shading and highlights that suggest glossy paint and curved metal. Observe where light hits and place bright highlights to sell the reflection. Darken recesses and panel gaps for depth while keeping transitions smooth. Render wheels with rim highlights and textured tires, then add small details like mirrors and badges. Step back often and adjust contrast until the car reads clearly and dynamically on the page.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.